Good morning to the crew. We are in rush and hurry right now because we gotta take a ferry today, go to UK. Actually, we are quite late. I'm kind of nervous. I don't like to be late. Anyways, we gotta be at the port. Actually, 1 hour 30 minutes before the departure because we have to do the immigration in France, like UK and France both sides. So hopefully everything go well. Okay, let's get. We gotta fill up the gas too. We fill up our gas tank. TV is happy. 25 minutes away.
This one?
Car ferry.
This one?
Yeah.
Exit the roundabout on Daphne.
근데 왜 불안한 게 우리밖에 없어? 도로에?
Sharp right.
Oh, I think we're at the wrong one. Yeah, we're at the wrong exit. Roundabout. Oh, I was just going there.
계속 울었어. So I don't need to go to the office. Like no, just drive in. Okay. Thank you, Mexico. Car ferry. And we read a sign.
And look for regular cars. And this side's regular cars. Yep. There we go.
Oh my god. What is Irish something? No, right? Doesn't matter.
Irish ferries. What? Oh, shoot.
상관없는.
Oh, here, P&O.
Oh.
What ferry are we?
Oh, we are.
VHS.
Yeah.
Ah, shoot. Wrong ferry.
트럭이잖아.
Yeah, it says there Irish fixed runway. P&O.
DFDS.
Yeah, okay. That is there.
Everything's truck.
Yeah.
차온다 그냥.
Truck, car. Maybe this one? Yeah, it's it. Cars.
Oh,
Okay, those two are for cars. Nice. Oh, this is going smooth.
Oh my god, what is wrong? Guys, it was crazy. It was hectic, seriously. So last time we entered UK, we entered during the COVID time. So it was a quite different process. We just like have an email in our hands and that's it to check in the ferry company. But this time we got at the port and we got so confused. Like we're just spinning around and around and around, and then right before we entered to the port area, we think that like, oh my god, maybe we gotta check in to the ferry company or pick up the ticket. And I ran in there and then found out that she's like, oh, you drop the car just so you can drive in. Like, okay. And then now we just check in and then we're going to the immigration office, I think. But it was quite different. Last time it wasn't like this. And that time was a kind of unique situation, pandemic, also before the BREXIT. So this time is a BREXIT, after BREXIT, so I don't know. Hi. Passport here. 너무 추워. 어떡해. 이거는 폴리스 내셔널인데 프랑스 사이드다 하니야.
Ah, okay.
멕시코 오빠.
I just leave it on. I should be fine. Nobody here. No stop sign. No. Just go. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Have you been anywhere else other than France?
All over. We were just in Holland a few days ago. Yeah, we're just gonna travel through the UK, go to Ireland, and then back. We tried to do it a couple years ago, but because of COVID, we couldn't leave southern England.
Guys, we just passed the UK border immigration. It was quite interesting today. It's totally different process that we did 2 years ago, something like that, 3 years ago. Because last time we took the ferry midnight and we had to wait outside, freezing cold, and didn't have a great experience. Last time, like the driver line and the passenger line, so he got through so quickly, but me took so long. And then Mark started to worry about me, like what is going on, why you cannot get out of the office, because the border officers has so many things to ask and doubt about my status. I don't know, but yeah, we are here and it's nice brand new places at the port. Seriously, what I'm seeing is like a duty-free shop. Look at that. Previously, they don't have it because they didn't need to, right? Because that time is like EU, but now like UK is not EU anymore.
Going on the ferry. We're becoming kind of ferry experts, I think.
너무 페리 많이 타니까 완전 릴렉스해가지고 이제는 막 챙길 일 아니까 막 타네. 이거 쓰라는 거지.
Stay in this lane here. Ooh, that means we'll be the first one off.
Oh no, I don't want to be a first one. We're gonna drive out opposite way. I don't want to be the first one. Guys, we got on the ferry and then we got the good spot. Seriously, look at this. Like here, TV is the front. Whenever we try to take a photo, it's like she always been kind of like a really corner next to truck. But this is the first time we got the really perfect spot. And then people are taking a photo here, and they always take our car, so they can have a souvenir from Korea car, right? Okay, so are you ready to go up? 이럴 줄 알았으면 엘리베이터 타는 건데.
괜찮네.
만들어 먹으면 맛있겠다.
So what do you got in your hand?
Jenga. Can we do this one though?
Yep, you want to get all of them?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
No Netflix, no YouTube.
Alright, let's do it. And then we can cancel our Netflix, right? It says it's easy to learn, but these are the freaking instructions. Let me see the cribbage board. So far, we think that you take this and you hold it like this. Let's do it. Ready? Yeah.
I hope that no one can play the cabbage in here.
Cabbage. Okay, so cribbage looks way too complicated, but this will be much easier. We're gonna watch a YouTube video later for cribbage.
뭐야 사다리 잘 안 걸리잖아.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can go all the way up to there. Okay, I stopped recording, but Lucy got here, and now she's back behind me again. Poor Lucy.
게임 그만하자. So this is like didn't ping well right now. We tried to do it, but signal is not that great. But we are crossing the Strait of Dover, and I thought like, oh, we are quite far away from Dover, but actually not. I can see the white wall over there. There. When we get the announcement, we are gonna get done and then drive opposite way. Keep left, keep left, keep left. Right. We are gonna park number 3. Keep left, keep left.
We're gonna wait for this line to go first, and then we can go.
나오라는 거지?
Stopping the truck. Right, let's go.
Keep left, keep left.
Keep left.
좌측 통행 keep left, keep left. 여러분 영국에 왔습니다. 하지만 정신은 없죠. 지도는 안 되고 내비게이션. 오, 또 봐. 하얀 장벽. 다시 이렇게 보네.
Exit 14 cars.
원형 교차로도 반대로 들어가야 된다. 명심하자. 화이팅. 그리고 속도는 마일즈 이제. 폴리스 체크포인트네.
Police checkpoint.
Clear.
Thank you. Going left on the roundabout.
Guys, first we are gonna do the SIM card. I don't know, I mentioned it in the vlog because my mind is all over the place. I think it's a typical Lucy, right? All chaotic start. So yeah, we are 10 minutes away and then we are gonna go to campground. Cross the finger. I hope that there's no roundabout. After red, we can go. Let's go. Breathe, Lucy. Just remember, chill. You are not the driver. Mark will take care of it. I'm just gonna take the melatonin right now. 아니야. Go sleep.
200m 앞에서 좌회전입니다.
Guys, we found the telecom company, but it was inside of the shopping mall. But the problem is we cannot park because everything is underground. Height restriction was 2.1 meter, right? So we found a place to outside the parking lot, but we gotta figure out how to do a parking meter. Haven't done for a long time, right? Let's do it. 그러고 나서 insert the coin.
Let's put this on.
windshield. 야 성공했네. 그냥 코인이 있어서 다행이다, 언니야.
Cool.
여기다. 야.
Ah, nice.
It's pay you go 하면
Oh look, little vegetable market. Anyways, done at 3. Got some pounds. Now let's go check out Boots. Lucy's favorite store in the whole world. But why do they call this a pharmacy and every other place they call it the chemist?
We put the same and then like I'm doing the hotspot data tethering for the smartphone. So now we can have the information about the speed limit and the miles per hour for our car because Chibi doesn't have miles. She only has a kilometer per hour. So yeah, it's really helpful. It's quite. We gotta drive quite fast. This one. 여기 60마일이라고 여기가? 우리 지금 38마일인데 왜 이렇게 빨라? 지금 70km 아니가? Oh my god. We are gonna go to Sandwich. I didn't know I mentioned it. We are gonna go to Sandwich.
Sandwich is a town, not the kind of sandwich you eat.
Yeah. Sandwich time. 반대로 들어가는 거지 우리는.
Pretty fast.
Deep breath, honey야. We are in Sandwich. 샌드위치 마리나 적혀 있어.
In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
여기요?
Yeah, this is it here. Yeah.
여기 어떻게 들어가?
You have arrived.
띵기 발끝 아니야.
Nice.
아니 띵기 해도 되겠네.
I think they're talking about the motor thingies.
Guys, we are here. Actually, it's a kind of campsite or not campsite, but it's like doing the marine boat club.
There's a motion sensor there, so maybe he already knows we're here.
아 그래?
I don't think
So-
to get in.
We are already waiting for them to open the door. Keep left. We thought like that was a place, but actually not. So we are finding the place to go.
Oh, there it is.
여기네. 여기도 블루 게이트네. 그게 헷갈렸어. 잘못된 블루 게이트 있었구나.
Ah, that's the steep ramp they're talking about.
Ta-da!
Good
The
job.
gate. Holy! Oh yeah, yeah. Oh my god. 여기 스팟 괜찮을 것 같은데? Guys, we are here. We went to wrong gate, but we made here. It's quite nice.
Pretty cool, huh?
I can go down, right?
Yeah, go down, look around.
비어가든 있다. 어쩔. 오, 나비. 나비를 무서워해서. Guys, I'm walking this path. I can see the boats. Ooh, nice. Wow. Poseidon. I think this is the boat taxi. It looks like a taxi color. I don't know. I'm gonna ask Mark later. Look at this. Wow. There's a TV. Mark is parking and I'm looking around. Guys, yeah, I guess I got a little bit tense, but we are gonna stay one day here and a little bit like settling down moment about, you know, all the different things we usually do when we go to new countries. So that like we just like, oh yeah, give a little bit of break and catching up ourselves and certain things that we gotta organize too. Every day is organizing. So Mark said that he's okay, he doesn't feel nervous. But I was actually. It's even second time I feel like nervous because of the road differences. And then I know that certain spot Mark cannot see it. He just depends on my eyes and just like like, you know, just shrunk a little bit. So some of my legs hurts. I don't even have a clutch and brake. I don't know, my thigh hurts. So yeah, it's a really nice spot anyways. Water. Look at this. Boat. Okay, I gotta help Mark. We're gonna do it together. Just be a man, dude. Be a man, dude. 재밌다, 오랜만에 하니까. 아닌가?
A little bit fun.
재미없나? Little bit fun 하는 거 보니까 재미없나 본데.
When I beat your